Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. I am John Avanti, and this is such a long overdue review of my 1992 Coachman. This is an RV that sleeps around 7 people, and I did a previous video about 5 years ago or so, and I did a review of the back part of this van because that's the best part, is the back part, and it makes this van so versatile, so usable. I mean, you can go anywhere basically in this van. It's not four-wheel drive, but you could still go manage over light dirt roads and stuff like that and park this virtually anywhere because it's a 19-foot van, and it has a rear dinette. But it's the same thing as if you were to get a 92 Airstream that is similar to this, and it's basically the same van, the Airstream or the Coachman. The big difference would be like the cabinetry in the Airstream. It's a lot more, but makes the van so much more top heavy. And this is the better van, it's a lighter. Now the Airstream, I think they usually came in with a 350, and I did a video on that too, so if you look through my channel, you'll find it. This is a 250, which is plenty. They both had the same exact motors, transmissions. They were virtually almost the same vans, especially like in the kitchen area, and we're gonna go over that. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna start it up and see what it sounds like. Cut. Very dirty. I haven't cleaned it. I did put a new battery in it, and I bought this van and I never used it. I had intentions of using it to go fishing, like in Boston, in New Hampshire, and all the northern parts of the state, Long Island, and camp out in the van while I have all my fishing gear. You know, bring a bike and hang it. And I just never had time to do that. So now I'm interested in selling the van, but before I do that, I'm going to make an interior review video. And the van does need some work. I mean, it is a 1992, so I'm hoping I can get 12 to 15,000 for it. And if you're interested in the van, my email is in the description. Send me an email, and you can have the van picked up, ship it. As long as I get the funds in the mail, it's a clear title, clean title, no accidents. And let's start it up. Let's see what it sounds like. Oh, motherfucker. It's cut.